Okay, so your body makes the most melatonin or sleep hormone while you're asleep. It also releases your growth hormone during sleep, which is people are go, well, what's the point of having growth hormone? That's the thing that helps you, it aids you in tissue repair and healing. Now, if you're in cancer, you are wanting healing. You want your body to be healing all the time. Okay, the next thing is that we've got sleep actually balances your hormones, your hunger hormones. So you've got leptin, which signals how full you are, and you've got ghrelin, which triggers your hunger. So are you hungry? Are you full? Are you satisfied? And this actually helps control appetite. So you're going, well, what's the importance of that? So let's look at cancer as a whole. Many of you know that from cancer, we're wanting to actually starve the cancer of its favorite food, which is sugar. And how are we going to do that if our insulin and our blood sugar is going up and down? We want it to be super, super stable. So you might find that even when you're sleeping, your blood sugar may be low, high, or whatever, and we need to make sure that it's at optimal. The next thing is immune function. And for all cancer clients, this is going to be like really, really important. We want to go and fight, and we want to prevent anything from growing, getting bigger. Our major aim is to make everything smaller. So you can see here that we've got the immune function, which is very important for cancer. And we are going to boost T cell production and the activity of that T cell production, which is important because that's your key immune cell fighting the invaders that are coming in, which is your cancer cells. And this is going to happen during sleep. It also peaks the cytokine production. So that's a nice big word. What is it? It actually just means it's the proteins that are vital for battling infections. You have to have both the T cells and the cytokines going, and this happens while you're asleep. So do you understand that your immune function is at its greatest when you're in sleep? The third thing that we look at is cellular repair. And this is your body's DNA repair process, which fixes the genetic material. So sometimes what happens is when you have the cancer is because there's genetic malformation, and we need that to be repaired. It is the most active during sleep. The lymphatic system, which is like another big word, is actually just your brain waste removal. So as your cells in your brain are working and everything, it produces a waste. We need all that waste to be removed, and that is cleared out during sleep. The last thing, which is vitally important, is that we want to prevent further disease. So poor sleep increases the risk of cardiovascular disease, diabetes, and obesity. Now, think about it. We are fighting against that sugar that we're feeding the actual cancer, and we need to be making sure that we don't have anything that's going on here that is going to be contributing to it. So sleep disturbances affect memory, learning, and mental health. And you might go, so why is that important? Well, you're fighting a battle here. If you don't have the mental ability or the actual like framework for it, you're going to struggle, and we need you to be at your optimal both mentally and physically.